The following information is provided to aid healthcare facilities in the development of a scientific approach to TEE probe reprocessing. Complete probe reprocessing is a step-by-step solution to ensure effective TEE probe reprocessing and to help minimize healthcare-associated infections. Let's discuss each step in the CPR process. Step 1. Point-of-use cleaning. Bedside clean soiled TEE probes as soon as possible once removed from a patient's esophagus. TEEClean sponges provide a simple, effective method for enzymatic application to the TEE probe insertion shaft directly after removal from a patient's esophagus. TEEClean sponges are pre-saturated with an enzymatic detergent to begin the process of breaking down bioburden. This step is extremely important in preventing the development of biofilm and must never be skipped. Step 2. TEE probe transportation. Transportation of soiled TEE probes should be handled with a device or method that minimizes the potential for probe damage as well as occupational exposure to patients and fellow staff. T-Porter TEE ultrasound probe transportation and procedure case is designed to provide standardized care and handling of TEE probes during this critical portion of the reprocessing cycle. T-Porter delivers enzymatically treated soiled TEE probes from the procedure room to the area for reprocessing. The pull-up biohazard sleeve, along with 2 red tie bands labeled "Dirty," properly identify soiled TEE probes as a biohazard. Step 3. Electrical leak testing. All TEE probes must be tested for electrical leakages between patient uses. TEEClean offers the ability to conduct electrical leakage testing inside its reservoir, minimizing the need for additional containers to accomplish this requirement and reducing probe handling that could result in damage to the transducer. TEEClean provides prompts for completion of electrical leakage testing. The results are recorded in TEEClean system memory and then printed on the verification record for storage in the TEEClean logbook. Step 4. Cleaning and high-level disinfection. TEEClean is FDA cleared to clean and disinfect soiled TEE probes. TEEClean uses TEEClean for TEEClean enzymatic solution for cleaning and either TD5 or TD8 high-level disinfectant for disinfection. During the cleaning and disinfection processes, your TEEClean monitors contact time and temperature, ensuring proper cleaning and disinfection. At the conclusion of a successful cycle, a verification report is generated and can be logged in the TEEClean logbook for later reference. An electronic record is saved in system memory for later recall to the built-in printer or exported to the supplied USB for download and transfer to a computer. Step 5. Rinsing after high-level disinfection. After high-level disinfection, TEEClean rinses any residual disinfectant off before alerting the user a successful disinfection cycle has been performed. TEEClean incorporates a 5 nanometer water filter. The filter is an FDA-cleared medical device that ensures that all water entering TEEClean is filtered to 5 nanometers, retaining bacteria, viruses, and endotoxins. Step 6. Probe drying. Upon removal from TEEClean, probes must be thoroughly dried to prevent development of bacterial growth. Quick-dry drying cloths are contaminant-free, single-use, gamma-irradiated fabric that slides freely down the insertion shaft of the TEE probe. Packaged in an easy-open pouch, Quick-dry removes residual moisture and does not introduce new contaminants to the high-level disinfected TEE probe. Step 7. Probe storage. TEE probes should be stored in a dry environment, hung vertically in a HEPA-clean cabinet. The CleanShield TEE ultrasound probe storage cabinet allows healthcare facility compliance with the Joint Commission standards. Step 8. Probe transport. T-Porter transportation device is both a procedure case and a transportation case for the TEE probe. The procedure case is set up to support the TEE procedure and provide the necessary tools to properly bedside clean and label the TEE probe during transportation. A high-level disinfected TEE probe can be removed from the CleanShield, placed in a plastic pull-up probe cover, and loaded into the T-Porter to allow for safe and secure transportation throughout a healthcare facility. As you can see, T-Porter has specially designed compartments for every part of the TEE procedure. Once loaded into T-Porter, green tie bands labeled "Clean" are used to secure the lid to the case. Complete Probe Reprocessing provides a step-by-step solution for the effective reprocessing of TEE probes. A standardized, evidence-based approach to reprocessing TEE probes improves quality, reduces variations, controls cost in a variety of areas, and most importantly, helps keep patients and staff safe and healthy. Remember that CS Medical is your source for all the necessary tools to properly reprocess your TEE probes. Please contact CS Medical at 919-255-9472 or toll-free at 877-255-9472 with any questions or comments to learn more about complete probe reprocessing. CS Medical LLC is a leader in developing and manufacturing medical devices designed to provide cleaning and high-level disinfection of TEE ultrasound probes. Our products are always engineered and developed with one single objective in mind: to keep patients safe by minimizing the potential of their exposure to improperly reprocessed TEE probes.